Onawa, Maine, December 20th. 23 deaths resulted from a head-on collision between an immigrant train and a freight train on the Canadian Pacific Railway, 2 miles west of Onawa Station today. 17 persons were killed outright and 6 died after being removed from the scene of the wreck. 50 passengers were injured, many of them seriously. The passenger train was running as the third section of the Immigrant Special, 2 sections of which had passed the freight while it was on a siding. So far as could be learned tonight, the collision resulted from a misunderstanding of orders given to Bagley, engineer of the freight train. The fact that the train was running in 3 sections is believed to have led to this confusion, the engineer apparently thinking that he had a clear track when he left the siding. The engine and the first 2 cars of the passenger train were telescoped by the freight. The wreckage caught fire and 2 coaches and the baggage car were burned. A special train was rushed to the scene and most of those seriously injured were taken to Brownville Junction. There they received treatment in the railroad YMCA building. After receiving first aid, 20 of them were sent to Bangor on a special train tonight and placed in hospitals there. Whittier, California, February 15th, AP. 2 persons were known to have been killed and 6 others injured tonight when the locomotive tender, baggage car, and 1 coach of the Los Angeles Limited crack passenger train of the Union Pacific plunged into the Puente Creek, 5 miles north of here. The dead are Charles Ireland, engineer of Los Angeles, and an unidentified man. The injured were brought to Whittier for medical treatment. 2 relief trains were dispatched to the scene with first aid supplies. Rescue crews tonight were searching the wreckage for other victims. When the bridge gave way, the locomotive plunged into the creek, swollen with floodwaters, and led it upside down. The baggage car fell crosswise against the onrushing waters. The first coach, a dining car, overturned when it toppled into the water.